You're gonna go around the edges, huh?
Can I use the paddle to push off the edge if you need to? Why does it say lifetime on that kayak?